2022, we launched the first village high in Ocha commune. Since then, the impact has been undeniable. Families are lifting themselves out of poverty, earning more, paying off debt, and building savings for the first time in their lives. The cycle of struggle is being replaced with long-term stability and opportunity. Thanks to your support, we have expanded to 2 more communes, Swai Pao and Ratana in Bat Nambong district. Today, 93 local leaders are responsible for delivering 3 village highs, creating a social safety net for 54,372 people across 18 villages.
Ông ca xem đôi chị mình miền bạn đi và tam ca bậc sao bạc nhóm cho mọi ông ca xem đôi chị cầm rò miền cầm rò ông ca đấy cứ nhóm tam ca sầm mai bạc nhóm đó đôi chị nè để tàu ảo cá than ảo cá và phụ bạch chan phùng kia chắc đấy.
But we are not done yet. Our goal is to create a network of village high across Bat Nambong district, creating a public social protect system for over 100,000 people across all 10 communes. When we reach this goal, CCT will no longer be required to deliver social services in Bat Nambong district. We need your help to launch the 4th village high to bring this version to life and create systemic change by proving that the way to break the cycle of poverty is to break the cycle of charity.